Welcome back to another video with iValet UK, and today we have decided that summer's on its way, so the company has treated all of the guys to a track car. And what we did was we went out, we searched through the classifieds, and we found ourselves a little Clio. It's been stripped out, the interior, there's nothing left in here, a couple of bucket seats and a steering wheel, and we're basically going to use it as our corporate entertainment vehicle. And that means that all of the guys across the whole company, all of our franchise network, can make use of the car, and when the track days start rolling through, then it gives the guys a little bit of a break from work. Today we're going to get the car detailed, because although it is a track car, it's what we do and it's what we love, so why not go and get her all polished up, and then she can sit in the garage and look lovely until the sun comes out and the weather's dry enough to throw it around the track. Let's go. And don't forget, if you want your car looking like this, apart from with us guys, if you want to do it yourself, we're doing a G-Technic giveaway, 1,000 subs on the channel, and we'll do a prize draw, loads of goodies thrown at you. So we bought a track car, and the guys don't actually know about it. It's only the couple here today that we've told, obviously, because they're doing the polishing work. But it's also going to give us a really good example to show about the paintwork and the before and after shots of the polishing. Although it is a track car, we still want it looking nice, because we're going to put stickers over it as well. Interior wise, there is no interior. It's just some seats and the floor of the car. So just for reference, this is actually the second coat of snow foam on top of the car that Luke is washing over the top of. It's already had a full decontamination and a pre-rinse with one coat of snow foam, but this just makes the paint a little bit easier to work with, a little bit more lubricated. I really want to emphasise how much that this is a track car. So there is parts of this car which are a little bit untidy. We've got a sill which needs bonding back together again. We've got a bit of the bumper on the front where the quick release tabs aren't quite tight enough. We've got professional racing quick release parts on the front of the bumper, so unpopping those will literally allow you to take the whole front bumper off, which is pretty cool but slightly unnecessary. And there's an air intake in the front grille which needs tidying up and putting into the fog light surround. So we'll get some parts ordered up and get that ready for the first track day. So this paint is actually black gold. It's got a gold flake underneath it, but the car is so heavily swirled, as you'll see in the video, that you can't actually see any of the gold through it. So it's time to get started with the polishing, start removing all the swirls and all the heavy defects, give it a really good cut and then refine it back up again. The difference is going to be insane. So Luke's been absolutely grafting all day on this car. It's now 5 o'clock and there's still the ceramic coatings to go. So we're going to be using our preferred crystal serum light from G-Technic. The wheels have been done inside and out. We've taken those off so we could do the barrels. On a track day, the wheels get absolutely hammered, take a proper beating and get covered in brake dust. So it's always nice to give them a good coating. Makes it much easier to clean in the future. So yeah, time for the ceramic coating. Clio's all done, ready for the track, ready for the summer. Sun needs to come out. The boys have absolutely smashed it today, grafted their absolute arse off. The car's been fully machined, 3 stages in some places, rotary, DA, ceramic coated, wheels are off. They've been done inside and out for all the brake dust on track. And look, just look at this thing.